Hi there, my name's Kusal Goonewardena. Uh, I'm a sports physiotherapist. I run the sports medicine clinic, a range of sports medicine clinics in Melbourne, Australia. And today I'm speaking to you from the University of Melbourne, where one of my clinics are situated. When I was a student, and back in 1993, 1994, I ended up doing a course, and it was offered by Sports Medicine Australia, and the course was called the Sports Trainers Course. And allowing me, or when I did this course, it allowed me to work in all of the sports that required sports trainers, first aid, and anything to do with injury management, and how to prevent injuries for these athletes. So as part of doing the course, it's a one-day course, and it's offered in Australia through an organisation called Sports Medicine Australia. It allowed me to work with footballers, rugby players. It allowed me to work with Australian rules football, netball, hockey. So when these athletes get injured or they require some kind of assistance during training, during games, I was able to offer my services in injury management and injury prevention through the learnings from this course. It also allowed me to work as a student. So I was yet to become a physio, and it allowed me to continue to work in the field and get that valuable experience while I was a student. Now, I've been a sports physio for well over 25 years now, and I am very happy to announce that I am able to bring this course to Sri Lanka. And there's only 3 other countries outside of Sri Lanka, outside of Australia, that this course has been introduced to. The first is Singapore, secondly is Pakistan, and now I'm really proud to announce that we're able to teach this course in Sri Lanka. The population of Australia is close to 25 million. The population of Sri Lanka is close to that amount as well. What we have in Australia is a very solid base and a very solid foundation in sports medicine. And this is one of the primary courses that allows everyday people, including sports trainers, coaches, parents, even young students who are interested in sports and exercise science, to really get an accreditation, get a qualification to then work in sport. So this, I'm really proud to bring this to Sri Lanka, because we are able to then teach the content of this course for the general population and for anyone interested in getting that Australian qualification. As part of the team who are coming to Sri Lanka to teach this course, there's myself as a sports physio, one of my team members, Gayath Jayasinghe. He's quite a knowledgeable sports scientist in Melbourne. He's part of the team. So he's bringing back his experience to teach this course. And in Colombo, Dr. Radhik Wijesooriya will be there. So initially, we'll be coming and teaching this course in February. So I look forward to meeting you all who are now going to be attending the course. The other wonderful thing about this course is that there's ongoing learning. So in February, we'll be coming to teach the Level 1 Sports Trainers course. There's a Level 2 Sports Trainers course as well, and you're eligible to do that after 6 months of doing the first level. And on top of that, there will be other courses available as well. There's courses on injury management, there's courses on sports taping, and I look forward to, down the track, bringing all of these courses and teaching them in Sri Lanka. So it's a very exciting time. As I said, I learned a lot from these courses, allowed me to work in the field when I was starting off with my career, and now I'm able to bring that and share that with you. The other questions I get asked are, does this course allow you to come and work in Australia? The answer is, by getting this Australian qualification, obviously you're going to be taught the course content in Colombo, in Sri Lanka, and then I want to take it right around Sri Lanka for anyone not living in Colombo as well. The key is, once you get this Australian qualification, and if you ever do come to Australia, you can actually start working with any of the sports clubs that need a sports trainer. And that means you get work straight away. So I'm really excited to bring this material, bring the content of the course, teach the course, and also provide you with an Australian qualification. And for the very first time, we're able to share this with Sri Lankans, and I hope it's going to be successful for you, and I hope you will get a lot of benefit from it. I'm going to be really proud to share this and bring this back to Sri Lanka, because I've been a sports physio here for nearly 3 decades. So bringing this back, it lets me fulfill a lot of my goals, which are bringing this expertise that I have from Australia back to Sri Lanka. So look forward to seeing you in February. Take care of yourself, and see you soon.